Cloves are one of the best natural plants with wonderful health benefits. These small aromatic flower buds are packed with nutrients and have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. They are not only a staple in many kitchens around the world, but also a powerful remedy for various ailments. But millions don't know the best way to take cloves to recover from many diseases. It's not just about adding them to your food, there's a specific method to maximize their benefits. Many people are unaware of the simple yet effective ways to incorporate cloves into their daily routine. Taking only 3 sticks of cloves gives your body all the health benefits it needs. This small amount can make a significant difference in your overall health. Cloves are rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, and fiber, which contribute to their health-boosting properties. If you are new, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. We regularly share tips and tricks on how to use natural ingredients for better health. Don't miss out on our latest updates and health hacks. What happens inside your body when you take cloves? When you consume cloves, they work their magic from within. They help in detoxifying your body, improving digestion, and boosting your immune system. The compounds in cloves have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Cloves are your right choice for a healthy life free of chronic diseases. Regular consumption can help prevent conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. They promote a balanced lifestyle and enhance your physical and mental health. Cloves are known for relieving tooth pain. This is one of the most well-known uses of cloves. The eugenol in cloves acts as a natural anesthetic, providing quick relief from toothaches and gum pain. Place 1 or 2 sticks on the inflamed tooth for immediate relief. This simple remedy can save you a trip to the dentist and provide instant comfort. Just make sure to remove the clove after a few minutes to avoid any irritation. Cloves contain eugenol, a powerful anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal. This compound is responsible for many of the health benefits associated with cloves. It helps in reducing inflammation, fighting infections, and promoting overall health. Eugenol is also one of the most powerful natural antioxidants. Antioxidants are crucial for protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. By including cloves in your diet, you can enhance your body's ability to fight oxidative stress and stay healthy. We'll show you how to prepare a wonderful clove recipe for everyone. This recipe is easy to make and can be enjoyed by the whole family. It's a delicious way to incorporate the health benefits of cloves into your daily meals. Cloves treat acne due to their antibiotic and antimicrobial properties. They help in reducing inflammation and killing bacteria that cause acne. You can use clove oil or make a paste with ground cloves to apply directly to the affected areas. They also treat stomach ulcers and fight digestive system issues. Cloves can help in soothing the lining of the stomach and reducing the symptoms of ulcers. They also promote healthy digestion and prevent issues like bloating and gas. To relieve stress, add 3 cloves to a cup of green tea. This simple addition can help in calming your mind and reducing stress levels. The aroma of cloves combined with the soothing properties of green tea makes for a perfect stress relief drink. Cloves enhance testosterone, improving vitality and treating hair loss. They help in balancing hormones and promoting healthy hair growth. Regular consumption of cloves can lead to improved energy levels and overall vitality. Cloves strengthen the immune system and reduce infections. They boost your body's natural defense mechanisms, making you less susceptible to illnesses. Including cloves in your diet can help you stay healthy and fight off infections more effectively. Add 3 cloves to green tea to boost your health. This simple habit can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. It's an easy and delicious way to enjoy the numerous health benefits of cloves. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Remember, incorporating cloves into your daily routine can lead to a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more tips and recipes on how to use natural ingredients for better health.